Me and PJ going to the top, y'all boys. Straight from Riviera Beach, Palm Beach. Stand up and give it up, cause we all here, tear it clip. And we come in, man, and stepping with no fear. So I got feelings tatted right across my chest. So you know I'm coming in, I don't got no fucking vest. What you got to say, a nigga come up, make a mess. Come and teach him lessons. That's what my cousin was stressing. Before he told me, man, he kept telling me and texting. Go and get them niggas, man, never be stressing. Everybody know you come and get it, how you do it. Keep it smooth, kid, know you could never lose it. Fortune 500, man, in abundance, come and run it when you gun it and come and shine it. Cause niggas come and run it when you up and shining and living for minutes like a vision. When you wanna get winning, you and your niggas in it. Y'all jumping in pools with fucking 20 bitches. Everybody looking at us, man, we out here winning. Tatted up from head to toe, looking at the shit like I'm still gonna make it. Everybody on the flicks, man, I get the flicks up. Now we all dug, then we come and sip up. Put more in my cup when I come and turn up. Me and my bros hit it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, man, we mug and we come and do it, man. And I'm just chilling with him, chugging. I come and do it, man, and I'm just living all above. Rest in peace to all my niggas, fortune and me getting it with wealthy niggas living it. We come and fucking kill this shit, jumping up, come and live it up. Man, we filling cups, let's go turn it up, pass it round, nigga get it, bruh. When we come and do it, we gon' do it till we end our days. Man, we come and rain and we come jump the stage and get parades, going glaze times away. Man, we come and bounce the play, the consecrate, the consecration, man, they come and contemplate me. Man, you come and time debating, man, there come a situation that you don't wanna get in, man, cause I ain't talking chasing, racing, man, I go and head up, man, and always win my fights. Well, I lost a couple, but you know, hey, that shit life. When you come and do it, man, I turn up, man, the mic. I come and do it, man, and I ain't living up no height. Everything I spit the realest shit up from my dome. I come up from a home where we ain't have always up in that dome. Man, but it was weed and guns up everywhere. You feel me? Scared? Never that. Nigga, I walked out the house with an AK splat. Remember when Mr. Bob, he killed himself 2 houses down, greenhouse, man, he willed himself. He just walked his dog that morning and said I couldn't do it. Called the cops, man, that nigga lose it. He fucking lose it. I don't get it. These niggas, man, they come fucking fuse me. And I come do it cause niggas, man, yeah, they fucking lose me. Talking about making money, yeah, they like they fucking do it. But don't know nigga wanna take me cause they fucking clueless. Ah, man, my ambition made me go get it. Man, I win it and I got it, man, up in the tenant. Smoking and venom, man, I come and get it from the pounds. And nigga coming with me, nigga, and I'm chilling with my rounds. Chilling up uptown, Tallahassee mind. Keep it mellow, man, always keep the patient right. And I'm telling you this how you come and do it when I fly. Hit the fucking sky, Aladdin when I ride.